Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A52. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. Firstly, download this app from Play Store, then open it. This is the main screen of Google Pay. As you can see, here we've got fast setup, extra layer of security, recent activity, loyalty cards, and apps connected to Google Pay. In payment, you can add payment methods. In passes, you can add your passes and see them right here. If you tap here, you've got access to all your activity. Participating banks. And you can enter promo code. In settings, we've got General, when you can turn on or off email updates and Gmail imports. You can change your location settings and edit account info and privacy controls. In notifications, you can turn on or off purchases notifications, offers and tip notifications, and updates about your passes notifications. If you tap here, you've got access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.